Hello everyone, welcome to lecture 5 of our microeconomics course. I'm Dr. Maida Mustafa Sadiq, Associate Professor of Economics at the National University, Sudan. In today's lecture, we will apply the economic theories we learned in previous lectures to a practical real-life case study. Rather than discussing only theoretical concepts, we will analyze how consumers actually make purchasing decisions when they face limited income. Let me give you a case study introduction. Imagine you are a university student. You have saved enough money to buy a smartphone, but your budget is limited. This is exactly Ahmed's situation, where Ahmed has a monthly budget of $600. He needs a smartphone for online classes, communication, entertainment, and other factors. After searching the market, he has narrowed his options to two smartphones. Brand A, high performance, excellent camera, premium quality, higher prices. Brand B, good performance, average camera, lower price, better warranty. So the important question, which smartphone should Ahmed buy? This is exactly the type of decision economists study. Microeconomics helps explain how rational consumers make choices under limited resources. Let us come to the consumer information. Now let us compare both smartphones. Brand A cost $600. Brand B cost $400. Brand A offers excellent performance, excellent camera, good battery, 1 year warranty. Brand B offers good performance, average camera, excellent battery, 2 year warranty. Ahmed estimates his satisfaction, what economists call utility. Brand A provides 120 utils. Brand B provides 100 utils. Notice something very important. Brand A gives higher total satisfaction. However, that does not necessarily mean it is the best choice. Economics teach us that consumers do not only consider total utility, they also consider the cost of obtaining that utility. So scarcity and opportunity cost. Now let us discuss the first two important concepts. Scarcity, which is a fundamental economic problem since human wants are unlimited but the resources are limited. Ahmed wants a smartphone, books, food, internet, transportation, entertainment. Unfortunately, his income only $600. So therefore, he cannot purchase everything. Scarcity forced Ahmed to choose. Now let us move to the second concept, opportunity cost. Whenever we choose one alternative, we give up another. Suppose Ahmed buys brand A. He spends his entire income. As a result, he cannot buy textbooks, he cannot save money, and he loses the better warranty offered by brand B. These sacrificed benefits represent the opportunity cost. Remember this important definition. Opportunity cost is the value of the next best alternative that is given up. Let us come to budget constraint. Now we discuss another important concept, the budget constraint. Ahmed's monthly income equal $600. If he buys brand A, he spends all $600. His remaining income is zero. If he buys brand B, he spends only $400. He still has $200 left. This remaining money can be used for books, transportation, internet, or emergency expenses or savings. Therefore, the budget constraints limits the combinations of goods Ahmed can afford. Consumers cannot buy everything they want. Their income determines what is possible to. Let us come to utility maximization. Now we reach one of the most important concepts in consumer theory, utility maximization. Economists assume consumers try to obtain the greatest possible satisfaction from their available income. Instead of looking only at total utility, we calculate utility per dollar spent for brand A. Utility per dollar equals 120 divided by 600, which equals 0.2 utility per dollar. For brand B, 100 divided by 400, which equals to 0.25 utility per dollar. Notice the difference. Although brand A provides higher total utility, brand B provides more satisfaction for every dollar spent. This is why many rational consumers would choose brand B. They receive better value for their money. Rational choice and consumer equilibrium. Now let us connect everything together. Ahmed compares several factors: price, quality, camera, battery, remaining income, and future needs. And instead of focusing on one feature, he evaluates the entire package. This is called rational decision making. Now let us discuss consumer equilibrium. Consumer equilibrium occurs when the consumer cannot improve total satisfaction by changing his spending within the available budget. Suppose Ahmed buys brand B. He still has $200. He can buy textbooks, pay for internet, and meet other important needs. Overall, his total satisfaction may actually become higher than buying brand A alone. This illustrates consumer equilibrium. The consumer has reached the best possible allocation of income. Please answer these discussion questions in order to strengthen your understanding of the whole lessons that we have studied before. Finally, what other factors besides price influence, consumer preferences, and so on is the question that concludes everything. Let me summarize today's lecture. Today we have learned that scarcity forces consumers to make choices. Every choice has an opportunity cost. Income creates a budget constraint. Consumers attempt to maximize utility. Rational consumers compare utility with price. Consumer equilibrium occurs when total satisfaction is maximized within the available budget. Always remember, microeconomics is not only about graphs and equations. It helps us understand the decisions we make every day as consumers. Thank you very much for your attention. In our next lecture, we will continue exploring other factors of consumer behavior.